Hi, I'm Shreyan Shankar, BTech graduate in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Currently, I'm working as an associate engineer in Qualcomm Bangalore.
Can you describe to us Qualcomm in a few words?
Look, I think Qualcomm needs no introduction, but for the sake of formality, Qualcomm is a company based in USA, and it is one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world. And it is basically involved in wireless and telecommunications, innovation in those fields, and providing services in wireless and telecommunications.
And how about India? Where in India do we see Qualcomm?
In India, Qualcomm, the basic centers are based in Bangalore and Hyderabad. The other centers in Bombay and Delhi are basically the business centers. So yeah, Hyderabad and Bangalore are the basic centers in India.
Can you tell us how we can see Qualcomm in real life, in day-to-day life around us?
Most of us don't know, but Qualcomm is everywhere around us because like most of the mobile phones that you use, like from LG, Samsung, Microsoft, Micromax, Motorola, all of them, like almost all the mobile companies use chips manufactured by Qualcomm. So the chip is provided by Qualcomm, and these customers, they build their phone around the chip that is provided to them. And most of the tablets like HP and all those tablets in the market available today are also running on the chipsets provided by Qualcomm. One interesting fact that most people don't know is that until very recently, even Apple iPhones used to use the modems provided by Qualcomm. So that's a big deal.
You were telling something about Qualcomm being the leader in mobile chips.
Yeah, like I would give you an analogy. Like most of us know Intel. Intel is like the supreme master in the case of providing chips for laptops and computer devices. So similarly, Qualcomm is the world leader in manufacturing chips for mobile phones and tablets. So you can understand.
Can you tell us about why Qualcomm is better than the few competitors that Qualcomm might have?
Early phases, like in the first 10 or so years of its journey, Qualcomm was totally unrivaled in its sector. There was no rival for Qualcomm, and recently some companies are coming up, like the companies like MediaTek are coming up, and Intel is looking to move into the mobile technology. Apple is looking to manufacture its own chips, and so is Samsung. So the market is fresh, and many new players are coming into the market.
What are the technologies that Qualcomm is working on?
Qualcomm has been like the world leader in innovations since the time of its inception. Like we know that Qualcomm was the one which came out with the CDMA technology. It was a major contributor in the 3G technology and in LTE, which we know as 4G. And as of now, Qualcomm is looking to move into a variety of sectors. Like we all know about the buzzword which is going on of IoT, that is Internet of Things. So Qualcomm is moving forward in the field. It has made many acquisitions and it is actively pursuing the field of IoT. So in the near future, you'll be able to see your mobile phones, your TVs, your refrigerators all connected, and you can access everything from the click of a button. So IoT is a very big thing to look forward to. Also, Qualcomm is looking forward now to moving into providing chips for data servers as well. And one recent development in Qualcomm is towards the automotive sector. Like automotive sector is a hugely untapped market in the field of telecommunication and multimedia. So Qualcomm is providing its technology towards the automotive sector as well.
What is the extent of things that you get to do outside of work of your normal work routine at Qualcomm?
Yeah, that is the best thing about Qualcomm because you're working on the state of art technology and you have code and the knowledge base which is like the cream of the world. So you have a lot to learn, and like suppose you're working on something and you stumble across something very new. So you have a lot of freedom to pursue your thought, your idea, and if it turns out to be good, you can even have it getting converted into patents or papers. So There's a lot of freedom provided outside work. You can work on your projects, and people are encouraged to do that.
You were mentioning something about Qualcomm sponsoring higher studies of students.
Yeah. So, a feature which Qualcomm employees are provided are like you can go for pursuing MS degrees or like MTech degrees, and Qualcomm partially funds those programs, and later it can absorb you into its the organization, and you can grow into the organization even further.
Yeah, apart from this, tell us about the social activities.
Qualcomm is a very socially conscious company. It is involved with a lot of NGOs and a lot of CSR programs. So it takes care of like there are volunteers. The employees are encouraged to volunteer into programs for orphanages and going for like giving free education to people and many other things, and also like providing relief to like the recent disasters in the Chennai floods. So Qualcomm takes up a lot of emphasis in providing something back to the society.
What are the channels through which Qualcomm might interact with students who are currently at college?
Qualcomm has a separate sector, like separate division called University Relations, which directly interact with students. Like it goes to campuses and recruits students for their internship programs. And the internship programs are the most fun thing that you can have in your college life, because you're working in a very huge company with people with such large experience, such large knowledge base. You get to interact with them directly, and you can get to learn. And learning at Qualcomm is a lot of fun because we are encouraged to work on your ideas. You're not forced to do something like it's not like you're given a project and you work and deliver something. As long as you learn something during the process, Qualcomm is fine with that. So, and the internship, as I said, is a very fun process. You are given a lot of opportunities to like enjoy yourself. And one more thing that Qualcomm lays emphasis is on personality development. What it says is that it is okay for you to be technologically adept. Technology is something, the knowledge is something that you can gain, but personality is equally important in Qualcomm. So I encourage to network with people, talk to as many people as possible, because everyone in Qualcomm is very easily accessible. So it is up to you to develop a network and talk to others, get the knowledge. Knowledge sharing is a very widely known thing there. So students are a lot of opportunities are available in Qualcomm. In Qualcomm during internships, the work week is just 4 days. Fridays is just for fun. Like Fridays, every Friday, you're taken to trips like Wonderla. You're taken to movies. You're taken to orphanages to help out children who are not so privileged as others. So there's a lot of fun, and they make you aware of what your social responsibilities are.
I'd love to ask you about the work culture and the work environment inside Qualcomm.
Best thing about Qualcomm is you don't have a boss. What you have is a mentor. As a mentor, you have a very senior executive working with you as a teammate, as a colleague, who helps you out in your technical and non-technical problems. So you can easily approach anyone inside your team as well as outside your team with any problems that you have, with any new ideas that you have. So there is almost no bureaucracy inside the campus of the office. Everyone is easily approachable. Everything is very informal. This is the most informal you can ever have in a company. Working hours are very flexible. Like you can come in anytime, you can go anytime, as long as you provide, fulfill your capabilities. Like you show how much you can work as much to your capabilities. The company is fine with that. It's not like you have to finish clocks this many hours, or you have to finish a project before a deadline. As long as you are working to your capability, the company is fine with that. So the working hours are very flexible and people are very helpful.